Alright, got Aquarium Man 203, and I wanted to ask what I should do. I said on my other videos, I thought I said on one that I was going to get more goldfish since the two Malleys died, but I still have that one and that one. They're the feeder goldfish, the 19-cent ones at PetSmart, but I think they're long-tail goldfish too, but I'm not sure. And on the videos it says that you're not supposed to put the fancier or bigger goldfish in with this kind because the fancy ones swim slower, and it says that these would eat all the food. So I'm wondering what whoever's watching thinks I should do. Comment if you think I should get the fancy goldfish to put in here too, or comment if you think I should get just more of these. Alright, just wanted your opinion. Alright, bye.